This is Lana on the train, the
Well,
Candy
good
Cane
evening, everybody.
train.
Welcome to Zoosafari and the Candy Cane Express.
Hey, I was
All
talking
right,
to you.
safety class. Hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the coach at all times. Now, we're about to embark on a fun little journey around the zoo, but before we go, everybody yell, all aboard!
All aboard! Those poor saps are standing there while we're going out here. Hey, see you later. Yeah. So here we are on the train, Candy Cane train.
This is the Birmingham Zoo. It's called Zoosafari.
Yeah. And they got lights all over. See, they got a gorilla. They got some other thing there.
Oh, look, they got a menorah.
Who?
Menorah?
Oh, menorah. Got lights over there. They got lights on the train.
Ah, look to your right. There's a giraffe over there.
We walked past this one. Oh, the lights.
Ain't this bird?
And this is what Lana took pictures of earlier. You got the alligators, the peacock, and the Marry Me. Elephants. The unicorn. There's the unicorn right there. The tiger. And here's
A dragon over there.
dragon over there, yeah.
Yeah.
Dragon. Got more lights. Flashing Christmas trees. They're flashing us. They're flashing. We got gingerbread men down here. Oh, look at all the trees they've got lights on here. There's a carousel. Oh, now we got a little some scenes here.
Wow.
Stockings,
Hanukkah,
menorah.
Christmas. Oh, Kawan.
The Virgin of Guadalupe is here.
Oh, wow, really?
I thought her name was
Ooh,
Mary.
look, a dragon.
I got that wrong.
I didn't know dragons were part of Christmas.
Oh yeah, big. Yeah, dragons are big with Christmas. Because the Christmas season keeps dragging on through New Year.
Oh, good.
That's why they're here. Look at these green and red candy canes. Grinch. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Yeah. You stink, Grinch, man. You stink. Oh, the tunnel of white lights. Oh, we got snowflakes. Oh, there's that Grinch again. Snowflakes. That's a squeaky tunnel. They got an animal there. Lots of lights on the trees. The lights are hung on the trees with care in hopes that the new ones would finally be there. And they are. We got purple trees, red trees, green ones, blue ones. Here's a blue.
It's a rhinoceros.
Is that what it is? Oh, unicorn, yeah. Blue unicorn. Oh, look at all the blinds. Ooh. There's a reindeer.
I think our orange moose is playing peekaboo. He's hiding his face.
Maybe he's got 5 o'clock shadow.
He must be going downhill. He's using the brakes, man. We're a runaway train, man. We're a runaway train.
We're going to be going at blistering speed now.
It was back there.
There's a blue duck. And here's a yellow reindeer with blue eyes.
With a blue nose. He must have a cold. He's got a blue nose instead of red.
Yeah. He's singing the blues.
Ooh, here comes a peacock.
Oh yeah, the peacock. Got some decorations. There's a wreath,
Yeah.
a Christmas tree. Oh,
Ooh, that must have been where Santa was sitting. It was a pretty big seat.
wow.
Not pretty. Hey, bird. Oh, there was a bird. There was a bird.
Here comes a little, I guess it's a church scene here on the right.
Ah, yeah.
Looks
Look
like
there. It's a little village.
village.
Look. Oh, little village.
It's a village. Now here's a little carousel of some.
Aww.
There's a snowman and some other things on there.
They look happy.
Well, they've probably been on it for a while.
Ooh, what is this up on the left?
There's a snowman, a dog, elephant, giraffe.
Oh, a polar bear.
Ooh. There's a wreath, a lighted wreath.
Here's a little lammy.
Yeah, lamb and a snowman.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear, that's what it is. Close enough.
You had a 50-50 chance.
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
And then here's something over here.
I'm not sure what it is. It's a dog, I think.
It's a dog, that's what I hear.
Thank you again, everybody, for riding the Candy Cane Express, and please remain seated until we come to a complete stop.
I guess this concludes our ride. We got some snowflakes. The penguins waving goodbye to you.
Thanks for riding.
All right.